Thousands of trucks drive on our roads every day, connecting cities, businesses and people, and keeping the economy moving in the Netherlands and across Europe. From July 2026, the Netherlands will introduce a modern digital toll system for trucks in vehicle categories N2 and N3. The toll will apply to both Dutch and foreign vehicles with a technical maximum mass exceeding 3,500 kilograms and will be charged on all highways and selected secondary roads. The current Eurovignette system will no longer apply and will be replaced by a European electronic toll system. This means one smart solution for the Netherlands and the whole of Europe. In order to pay truck tolls, you need a contract with a service provider and a functioning onboard unit. Truck owners will be charged a transparent per kilometre rate, calculated and based on vehicle weight, type and emission class. The cleaner and lighter the vehicle, the less you pay per kilometre. At Toll for Europe, we ensure carefree travel across Europe. Our onboard unit is easy to install, fully compliant with Dutch toll regulations, and automatically records your journeys via GPS. It's reliable and user-friendly and always has the latest information via over-the-air updates. This one single device is all you need for the Netherlands and for more than 18 toll services across Europe. And with Toll for Europe, you can rely on outstanding service and complaint management. Operational excellence with a strong and stable performance, as well as transparent, intuitive fleet management, all bundled into one smart solution. In this way, we are making transportation smarter, cleaner and more sustainable. Fair, efficient and ready for the future. More information can be found on trucktoll.nl and tollforeurope.eu. We listen, we innovate.